definitely not safe in that place.
Tonight, we're digging deeper into the COVID-19 cases reported at the Cumberland County Detention Center. As of right now, 4 detention center officers and 1 inmate tested positive. CBS 17's Kayla Strayer getting answers in Fayetteville after talking with a former inmate and a county commissioner who both say everyone at the jail should be giving masks. Kayla.
Yeah, so I talked with the man as he was walking out of jail yesterday afternoon. He says he was booked with a mask, but that he wasn't allowed to keep it while he was incarcerated. A man in handcuffs and a police officer both wearing masks as they walk into the jail this afternoon. But this man walking out yesterday tells us he had to hand over his mask while he was in jail over the weekend.
No one has mask on in that place. No one. Besides the staff.
He says he tried using a towel as a mask, but wasn't allowed. He says he didn't feel safe.
No, not at all. I couldn't even wear my towel that I had to protect my face. I used it as a makeshift mask, and they told me to remove it every time I left my cell. And they said if we didn't feel safe, to stay in our cells.
The sheriff's office reported Friday that 4 detention center employees tested positive for COVID-19. This man says when he was booked Saturday, he asked if anyone here had tested positive for the virus.
Told me that no one at this facility had COVID.
No inmates or no one in general?
No one in general.
They are citizens that need to be taken care of as well.
Cumberland County Commissioner Charles Evans wants every inmate to have a mask. He's been passing them out to the homeless, and he says he told the sheriff weeks ago that he had masks to give to the inmates if they needed them.
He said that they were taken care of. Full belief that the sheriff is doing the best that he possibly can, but if there's a problem with protecting our inmates, then we, as Cumberland County Commissioners, we have a problem. And it needs to be addressed.
Sheriff Ennis Wright did not want to talk on camera for this story, but his office is saying that the inmates were told as soon as a positive test was confirmed. They also say inmates can't wear the towels around their face because they can't be identified that way, and that if they were given masks, they would possibly try to purposely use them to spread the virus by coughing into them and then passing the mask around, or they could be used to try to flush down the toilets and flood out the cells. Those are some of the reasons given for why the inmates do not have masks. Reporting live in Cumberland County, Kayla Strayer, CBS 17 News.